How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining, and today I wanted to talk about ARK Invest, the investment firm, and all the information they publish that I use and I think we can all use to make money. So let's take a look.
ARK is a global investment firm, and we are focused only on disruptive innovation. That's our sole focus. We believe that investors are missing out on some amazing opportunities out there just because of how the traditional financial world is set up. It's very siloed, specialized in a world where technology is permeating every sector and innovation platforms are converging. DNA sequencing, robotics, energy storage, artificial intelligence, blockchain technology. These are the 5 major innovation platforms today that are evolving at the same time. We have never seen this amount of innovation evolving at the same time in history.
That was Cathie Wood, the founder and CEO of ARK Invest, going over the focus of her global investment firm. She founded ARK Invest to give people the opportunity to invest into disruptive innovation. Over the last couple of years, Cathie Wood and ARK Invest has gained a lot of popularity primarily because of her Tesla price prediction and a very high rate of return in the ETFs she offers. In 2018, she made a call that Tesla stock would hit $4,000 in roughly 4 years, and her prediction came true 2 years early. As a result of stock picks by the team at ARK Invest, all the ETFs managed under Cathie Wood have had great returns the last year. Let's take a look at the 5 actively managed ETFs currently offered. ARK Innovation Etf. Over the last year, it has gained 152%. ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF. Over the last year, it has gained 107%. ARK Next Generation Internet ETF. It has gained 157% in the last year. ARK Genomic Revolution. Over the last year, it has gained 180%. ARK FinTech Innovation ETF. It has gained 108% over the last year. As of today, ARK Invest has a team of 27 analysts and traders working on managing the funds full-time. That is far more research that I could ever do. Somebody that has a full-time job and swing trades on the side. So let's take a look at what that research process looks like.
ARK is not your traditional investment firm. Most firms are managed around sectors, a market cap, or pre-existing industries. We're really focused on figuring out where the world's headed and the key technology platforms that will lead us there. We're trying to deal with much larger narratives. We're trying to figure out what is the world of transportation going to look like 5 to 10 years from now? How much energy is going to be generated and stored using either solar or lithium-ion battery cells? How much of software is going to shift over to artificial intelligence over the next 10 years? We're trying to figure out the macro trends of technology over the next 5 to 10 years, and that's much more exciting than maybe working out the minutiae of the next quarter or so.
In our research process, we usually start with the top down. We'll see where the technology is that we're looking at along the S-curve. We'll also use Wright's law to determine the cost dynamics that we see in the particular market that we're trying to size. In that process, usually names come to us, and then we'll do the bottom-up fundamental work from there. We'll assign 5-year valuation targets to all of our companies, and we'll also qualitatively score all of the companies that we look at.
What I like the most about ARK Invest is that they publish all their research online. They make it public for everybody to look at, criticize, and learn from. So I find the Research Center very helpful with different articles, white papers, newsletters, podcasts, webinars, and videos you can look at. The most important part of this to me is being able to access all the fund holdings in each one of these ETFs. This gives me a good watch list of stocks to swing trade and to invest into. So I've actually went through and compiled a list of all the stocks in the 5 actively managed ETFs. I'll post a link in the description below so you can import it into your trading platforms. You can also sign up for trade notifications, and this will be a daily email that goes out after the market close that will notify you of any buys and sells that were done by ARK Invest. I use this as a tool to update my watch list of ARK Invest holdings and make sure that I'm looking at the latest information available. That's going to be it for today. I hope you guys found this information helpful. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.